You know what? I dreamt about a hideous sea serpent last night in my dreams. So follow along while I create one here. Big, expressive eyes give this guy a distinctive glare. He features large wings on either side of his head as he emerges out of the briny deep. Take a moment to clean him up with an eraser. Besides the wings on his head, this guy also has smaller ones on the sides of his body. Let's outline our sea serpent with green all around. Some details are easily created with black marker. Here I'm using green oil pastel for his overall body cover. And then sometimes I smudge the oil pastel to fill in bigger areas. Follow along as I develop our character using yellow, green, and turquoise for blending. Finish off our sea serpent with black outlining for contrast. Watch as I use colored pencils and blue oil pastels to finish off the ocean. And our sea serpent, our wide-eyed ocean sea serpent beastie, is just about done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.